Welcome to 2 Minutes Daily Learning. Why does a bottle of water cost 20 Indian rupees at a store but 100 Indian rupees at a concert? Sounds unfair, right? But have you ever wondered, why does the same product have different prices in different places? This secret is called supply and demand. And today, we will understand it in very simple words. So, what exactly is supply and demand? Demand is how much people want a product. Supply is how much of that product is available. When demand and supply interact, they determine the market price. In simple words, demand is what people want, supply is what is available, and price is where they meet. We see supply and demand in many daily situations. For example, during mango season, there are lots of mangoes available, so prices fall. During heavy rain, everyone wants umbrellas, so prices rise. Limited edition sneakers often become very expensive because only a few are available. Supply and demand are behind every price you see. Here is how it works. Step 1. High demand and low supply make prices go up. Step 2. Low demand and high supply make prices go down. Step 3. When demand and supply are balanced, prices stay stable. Step 4. This balanced price is called the market price. In short, demand and supply work together to decide prices. Now, let us quickly summarize the key points. First, scarcity increases value. Second, popular products usually cost more. Third, balance creates stable prices. Now you'll understand the story behind every price tag you see. Next topic, coming tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something new today. Like and subscribe to the channel for more 2 Minutes Daily Learning videos.